I mean, show up here at 7 o'clock, well, a little earlier, every day. Don't be late. If there's anything I need to unload from the job the previous day, I'll take that off the truck. Then I go and chat with Jacob to see what my job is going to be for that day. We load up the truck with all our materials for the day, and then we drive out there. Well, it's definitely a very hands-on job. You're very involved in what you're doing. There's a lot of movement, so it keeps you active. It's nice being able to get in the truck and drive to a different location all the time. You feel a nice changing environment. Some days you'll be going and you'll be swapping out somebody's old furnace for a newer one, or you might be installing a new ductless heat pump system in a house, or replacing a water heater. So, I mean, the projects are new and fun every day. You might have done something very similar before, but it's a new environment and a very new project. Then you clean it all up and make sure the customer's happy when you're done, and you head back to the shop, and that's your day. I would say the most difficult part of the job isn't necessarily the physicality of it, which is what a lot of people might think it is. I think the hardest part is adjusting to the lifestyle. You know, one day you might get off a few hours early, and the day after that you're working 4 hours overtime. So it really all depends on the job. I think my all-time favorite thing about this job is just being able to see a project from start to finish. I think that it's very satisfying, and you get that sort of instant satisfaction of knowing that it's completed. And by instant, I mean, like, you know, you might have a job that's one day, and so you rip everything out that it used to be, and you start from the ground up, and then you create something every day. Well, something that makes Mars different from other companies is actually how much they care about what they do. Jacob and Ken, they really run a tight-knit business here. They expect perfection. They expect great things from their employees in the quality of our work. And I think that's what really sets Mars apart. It's just a great community overall, great employees, good culture. But yeah, you gotta do your best here. There's totally room within Mars to make a lifelong career here. Move up to working in your own truck, be here long enough, you can get your electrical licenses, or you could eventually become a journeyman or something like that if you wanted to stay in like the installation branch. There's also opportunity for growth to higher positions. Somebody who's not afraid to get a little down and dirty. If you're someone that wants to learn a lot about themselves and what they can handle, and also just learn a lot of very interesting stuff about an industry you might know absolutely nothing about, then this would be a good place.